This is how to fix Telegram channel cannot be displayed error. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the most effective method. So the only thing that you need to do is to simply open your favorite browser in order to change your phone number. Don't worry, this is 100% safe method. So let's move to our procedure to get the phone number for free of another country. So for this you have to just open your favorite browser, like I am using here the Chrome browser. So here in the search bar you have to just search for temp numbers, and then you have to just open this red icon website here. Once you are in once you are here in this website of the temp number, you have to just scroll all the way down, and here you can see a lot of the country options here. You have to just select for United States. You can also access the phone number of any other country if you want, but the best option is to select for United States. You have to just simply click to open the United States here. So then here you will find a lot of the temp numbers. You have to just copy any of the one, but make sure that the number that you are copying from here must be latest one. You have to just simply click on that number, and now here you have to just click on the number and it will be copied. So now you can see that the number has been copied to the clipboard. So now here we just need to open our Telegram and then click on the three lines at the top left corner, and now you have to just click on the settings, and here you have to just click on your number and then click on change number, and again click on the change, and here you have to just select for the country whose phone number you have selected and copy it. And now you have to just paste here the copied number, and then you have to just click on the next, and then you have to just put here the verification code that you can get from the website from which we get the phone number. So once you have changed your number, your problem of this channel cannot be displayed will be fixed successfully, and you will be back to your channel. But before reopening your Telegram app, you must try to clear cache and the data of your Telegram app, and make sure that you are using the updated version of your Telegram. So that's all. Bye.